Hi guys, what's up, It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Jamaican sweet potato porridge. This porridge is vegan friendly, creamy, smooth, delicious. It's a favorite of mine. I cannot wait to show you how to make it. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some sweet potato. I've already cut the sweet potato up, but I've just got one there to show you what it looks like for those of you who may not know. So it's the sweet potato with the red skin and the inside is a off-white to cream color. You're also going to need some plant-based milk. I'm using some coconut milk, but you can use any type of plant-based milk. In terms of sweetener, I love to use my keto condensed milk. I will put a link to that in the video of how I make that. You're also going to need some spices. So I'm using some nutmeg, some ginger, and some cinnamon. You're also going to need some vanilla extract, pink salt. I also have some ground oats as well. You can use whole oats if you want to, but I'm just using some ground oats for the recipe. So the first thing we need to do is to combine the chopped sweet potato and half of the coconut milk and just pour it into a blender. So the next thing we need to do now is to blend this on high speed into a smooth consistency. I'm using a Ninja blender, so it really does a great job in terms of blending out this into a smooth consistency. If you don't have a Ninja or high speed blender, you might need to add just a small amount of water. If you don't have ground oats, you also want to add them now as well. So now that I've blended the sweet potato, coconut milk, I'm just going to grab a spoon to show you the texture, which should be nice and smooth. So now I've transferred the mixture on medium heat into a medium-sized saucepan, and I'm just going to pour in the rest of that coconut milk. So now that I've added the coconut milk, I'm just going to grab a whisk just to give that all a stir. I'm also going to reduce the heat to low, and I'm going to leave the mixture to simmer for about 20 minutes, and halfway through the cooking time, that's when I'm going to add the ground oats. You also want to make sure that you put the lid on the saucepan and stir occasionally as well. So now that we're halfway through the cooking time, I'm just going to remove that lid, and this is the time I'm going to add my ground oats because I want my porridge to have a bit more body to it and to be slightly thicker. So I just pour that in and stir that in. Then I'm just going to put the lid back on, and you want it to simmer for up to 10 minutes. So the porridge is ready, so I'm going to remove the lid one more time, and at this point now, this is where you add your add-ins. So you add your vanilla, your cinnamon, your ginger, your nutmeg, your pink salt. Also, you add your keto condensed milk. In terms of the keto condensed milk, this is really up to you in terms of how much you want to add. If you want it really sweet, then you add quite a bit. If you only want just a small amount and just a subtle sweet taste, then you just add a small amount of the keto condensed milk. And then you want to give it a quick stir. So the only thing you need to do now is to grab yourself a bowl and pour that delicious porridge into that bowl. Trust me, this is one of my favorite Caribbean porridge breakfast recipes. It's a great alternative to hominy. If you don't want to have that, or you don't want to have cornmeal or plantain porridge, trust me, this is another delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.